Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a hand and beautiful nails. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. Follow the instructions, kids. First I'm going to draw our hand. Draw with me. Yes, you are doing right, kids. Now I'm going to draw nails. Great job, kids! Our hand is ready. Now I'm going to draw a brush. Now I'm add some detailings. Our brush is also ready. Now I'm going to draw our nail paint bottle. Let's draw beautiful heart in our bottle. And now I'm going to add some detailings. Great! Now I am going to do some nail art in our nails. Wow, our nails are looking so beautiful. Now I am highlighting the picture. Yes, kids. It is more visible to us now. Great job! Our picture is ready. It's coloring time. Let's color our picture. Skin color for our hand. Great! Let's color our nails now. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color. Now I'm going to color our brush. Brown color, blue color. Let's color our bottle orange. Pink color for our beautiful heart. Now I'm going to add some detailings into our picture. Great job, kids! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.